Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at XRP. What's happening with it. So before I actually get into the details of this continuation pattern that we see here, please make sure to head on over to YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market or the content that we produce almost on a regular basis, please make sure to hit this bell icon. Right, you can give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to also give me a follow at Mageko with a 0 at the end. Right, moving on to XRP. Right, XRP price has kind of the downside, like the price has been falling for quite some time, but speaking of the most recent crash here was between May 5th and May 12th when there was the Luna fiasco took place. This caused Luna price to crash, not Luna, XRP price to crash roughly 42%. After this, the price is consolidating between two converging trend lines, giving rise to a continuation pattern known as a bearish pennant. Now, bearish pennant or any continuation pattern, as the name suggests, is kind of forecasts that the trend that is formed before this consolidation continues after the breakout. Right, so the trend prior to this consolidation was a downtrend. Now I'm expecting something similar to take place here as well, in which case the bearish pennant forecasts a 42% downswing to 0.221. That is if we get a breakdown of the lower trend line of this bearish pennant. If we do get that on a daily time frame, then I will be looking to short XRP. But that said, right, you do have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin rallies, all the altcoins are going to follow it. So in that case, a breakdown could turn into a fake out if Bitcoin takes a U-turn and tries to go up and fill the CME gap at 35K. So if you haven't checked the Bitcoin video out that was posted today, please make sure to go and check it out first. And then you will understand why a breakdown could also turn into a fake out. But on the other hand, since the macro perspective of Bitcoin kind of remains bearish and I'm expecting a drop down with 19-20K, if that bearish outlook plays out first before a relief rally outlook, then you can expect the price of XRP to crash violently down to the target at 0.221. Now that said, like the theoretical target kind of makes sense, but if you look at the price chart for Ethereum, right, there are two other levels that served an important significance here. The first one is at 0.30. This level was an incredible support back in the 6th of August 2018. Basically the whole month of August of 2018 is when this support level was extremely important, and after that on the 29th of July the price kind of broke down below that, and since then the price has kind of tried quite a few times but failed to move above that resistance level. So likewise there's another one here at 0.250. As you can see here, these two levels are pretty important. So if we get a breakdown of the bearish pennant, you got to watch out for minor bounces around these two levels here. Perhaps if the macro outlook is bearish as well, then you can add more on these drops that you're going to get here at 0.30 and 0.25. Either way, things look pretty bad for all the altcoins from a macro perspective. So yeah, that sums up my analysis for XRP. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.